Amberley right now, just checking the latest models. We've got 1 o'clock showing some scattered showers, possibly around out west starting off. And if I switch to 2 o'clock, seems like the first cells kind of pulsate and die out, but this line still kind of hangs around. I did not want to do that, thank you. Go 3 o'clock. Seems like another line might become more dominant from Boona, stretching out towards Gatton and up to Toowoomba as well, with some more out west and up north. And if I go 4 o'clock, that line still shows it's hanging around Boona and Amberley ways. So I don't think we need to go much further than this. We'll just keep an eye on the skies and just see where stuff starts and go for it. We're just out at Perga right now, just looking out to the west. We're just keeping an eye on a couple of cells that appear to be forming on the ranges. We're hoping for a pretty severe day today, with storms capable of producing damaging winds, large to giant hail and very heavy rainfall. So the next couple of hours will tell us what's going to happen. So we're going to hang out here and just hope that these cells fire up pretty soon. I'll give you guys updates as things happen. Not. Just currently watching the radar right now from Rosewood. Our little pinpoints down there. We're watching this line way out west, out towards Gundawindi and Roma. This seems like it's going to be the predominant line for today, forming right in the dry line. And we've got a couple of little cells as well closer to Dalby. They're racing towards the east-southeast, as you can see when it loads. They're just starting to fire up now, but the main line seems like it's going to be a bit further out west, and that's going to push through this afternoon and hopefully turn into a nice big line for us. So now we're just deciding if we want to stick around here and wait for it, or if we go a bit further west just to get in front of it a bit closer. Right, I'm bitten the bullet. We're going up over the ranges because there's a couple of nice cells coming down from Dalby now, and all the rest of it is out a bit further behind it. So if I stuck around Amberley ways, I would be waiting there for a long time, and I want to kind of get on these cells as they're over the ranges, because I feel as they get close towards the coast they might get washed out and turn to rain. So let's just hope that I'm making the right choice right now. But at the moment they do look pretty good for the isolation of them on the radar.
almost hit 50 though. Six 49.50.
Just getting chased by this bloody storm right here. This is right near Oakey, just on the Darling Downs. You can see it's got an awesome shelf cloud forming on it with a nice low wall cloud, it looks like, underneath. This thing probably has some large hail in it, and it's pretty damaging winds. We've measured a maximum wind gust on it before of about 64, so there's probably going to be stronger wind gusts upwards of 100 k's an hour in this thing. Chased by this thing. Holy crap. Structure looks good, but we've got to go. It's catching up. Just coming down towards Wellcamp now. Just looking for a clearing up here. It's got a very nice lowering down there.
Almost falling over.
At the end of this road, it's on the main road.
Oh yeah.
Wellcamp Airport. We're getting smashed right now. Car's rocking. Got a max wind gust of 75 kilometres an hour so far. Wow. Pea-sized hail. Nuts. Can't see anywhere. Crazy. Definitely going to be some flash flooding from this storm. So we just did that big intercept of the storm at Wellcamp Airport. We followed it all the way pretty much from near Dalby all the way back through Oakey, and then we just got into it at the airport there, just tried to find a clearing, and it did have pea-sized hail in it. There was a lot of it, a lot of heavy rainfall. There's definitely flash flooding going to be happening, and we recorded a max wind gust of 75 kilometres an hour. So now we're just pacing back to the Warrego Highway so we can take the Toowoomba bypass, and hopefully, if it's moving slow enough, get back in front of the cell and get it again.